In this video, we are going to learn how to create a first Java program. So I'm using Notepad here to create Java program. Even you can use any ID for the same task. So first we have to create a class. Then you have to write the name of that class. So I'm putting here as a sample. So usually you should put that class name, the first letter of the class name in capital. So this is my sample program, so I'm putting it as a sample program. After then you have to start the curly braces, and inside that you have to create one main method. So how you can write that, let me start with that as well. Public static void main. Here each keyword has its own significance. I'll tell you about all those things in detail. If you want to create any class in Java, then you have to use that class keyword. Then after then you have to use the your sample program name. Here my program name or class name is my sample program. You can use any name in place of this. After then public, so that this method will be accessible by the Java compiler outside. And after then static, this method should be static, so that while the compilation, but this method can be called with the class name. After then void, because this method will not return anything, and this is the main method. And this string args. So with command line argument we can take number of inputs. For that, usually we have to pass that ar or args, any string array you have to pass it here. After then, if suppose if I want to print some message, then I have to write that system dot out dot print, and then I can write my message. So I can write like, uh, welcome to the Java world. I have to put the semicolon after that. So here the print is a method of system.out. Here system is a class, inside that static member, out is static member, then print. So you will understand these significance after a few programs. First, you have to see that the how we can create the simple program. Then after creating this sample program, I have to save, or you have to save this file. So let me save this file. You can save this file in any location. So here I am taking my sample location, so you can save in any location. Here inside the Java programs I am saving it. You have to keep in mind one thing, that the whatever the name of this simple class, okay, so you have to save your file name with the same name. So I'm keeping here as a simple program. You have to put the extension at Java, because this is a Java program. After then I'll save it. So now my program has been saved. Now I have to compile this program. You can see here this program has been saved. Okay, inside this, if you want to open this, you can see here, this is the program. Okay, so let me close this. uh, if you want to compile this Java program, what is the use of compilation? See, if you will compile this program, you will get that dot class file. Okay, so you can, if you want to run that Then GRE will read that class file, Java runtime environment, that will read that class file. Inside that class file, bytecode will be there. So it will read that bytecode line by line, and it will do the execution. So let me try to compile this Java program. So I'm compiling here using command prompt. Even you can use any IDE for the same task. So if you want to compile the Java program, what you have to do is you have to use Java C command, Java C. This is Java compiler, and you have to pass the program name. So see here sample program.java. So we have to pass here a sample program.java. So you can see here I didn't get any error, means my program has been successfully compiled. If any compilation issue will be there, then it will list out all the errors. Even you can see here that dot class file has been generated. So when you run this program, that GRE will run this class file. If you want to run this program, then you have to pass that class name. So for running any Java program, Java command will be used. So you have to write Java, then you have to pass the class name. So even inside this Java program, we have created the class with the sample program name. So let me try to type the class name. This is my sample program. Let me hit enter. You can see here, welcome to Java world. This is the message which is getting printed. The same message we have written here, welcome to the Java world. So this is all about my first Java program. So I am done with this video. Thanks for watching.